Are you over 60 and starting to worry about high blood pressure? Do you feel like as you get older, blood pressure issues are just an inevitable part of aging? Many people think that high blood pressure is something that only happens to older adults and is just a normal part of growing older. You might also think that controlling high blood pressure means only relying on medication. But that idea isn't entirely correct. In fact, controlling high blood pressure isn't just about taking medicine. Scientific research shows that exercise is one of the most effective and natural ways to lower blood pressure and improve circulation, and it comes with no side effects. Exercise doesn't just help lower blood pressure. It helps improve overall circulation and strengthens heart function, keeping you away from the problems caused by high blood pressure. High blood pressure is not just a problem with your blood vessels. It's related to your circulation, heart health, and even your muscle flexibility. So today, I'm going to show you 3 key exercises that can improve blood circulation and lower blood pressure, and they can be done with no special equipment. These exercises have been scientifically proven and are ideal for people over 50 who want to improve their blood pressure and overall health. We often think that simple daily activities like walking or mild exercise are enough, but have you ever thought that walking alone might not be enough to improve your circulation and control blood pressure? After 60, your body's ability to respond to exercise decreases, especially for low-intensity activities like walking. Your muscles become less responsive, which means walking alone may not effectively stimulate your heart and blood flow. It might even lead to muscle loss over time. High blood pressure is often caused by poor circulation and reduced flexibility in the blood vessels. What your body needs now is not more steps, but the right kind of stimulation. The kind of exercise that tells your muscles, joints, and nervous system, we still need you to keep working. So, the exercises I'm about to show you have been scientifically proven to improve circulation, lower blood pressure, and boost overall health. All you need is a few minutes each day, and you don't need any special equipment. Let's start with the first exercise, standing calf raises. This exercise not only strengthens the calf muscles, but also promotes blood flow, improving circulation in the lower legs. The idea behind standing calf raises is simple. By lifting your heels, you stimulate the venous return, helping blood flow back to your heart and reducing the load on your heart. It's a great way to promote circulation, which helps lower blood pressure. To do standing calf raises, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. You can hold onto a chair or wall for balance. Slowly raise your heels so that you're standing on your toes. Hold for a few seconds, then lower your heels back down. Repeat this for 10 to 15 reps and aim for 2 to 3 sets each day. This exercise doesn't require much effort, but can really improve blood flow in your lower body, making it easier to manage blood pressure and promote overall circulation. Next, let's move on to the second exercise, chair squats. This exercise not only strengthens the lower body, but it also promotes circulation and helps lower blood pressure. The key to chair squats is that it activates the muscles in your thighs, glutes, and core, which boost your blood flow and helps improve heart health. Research shows that strength training helps improve muscle mass, increases vascular elasticity, and ultimately helps control blood pressure. To do chair squats, sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor and knees at a 90-degree angle. Slowly stand up, keeping your back straight, and squeeze your glutes as you rise. Then, slowly sit back down. Repeat this for 10 to 15 reps and aim for 2 to 3 sets every day. Not only does this exercise strengthen your lower body and improve circulation, but it also boosts stability, helping to maintain proper posture and reduce the strain on your joints. The third exercise is deep breathing exercises. You might wonder how breathing exercises could help with blood pressure and circulation. Well, deep breathing plays a huge role in lowering blood pressure. By activating the parasympathetic nervous system, deep breathing helps your body relax, reduces stress, and helps regulate blood flow, ultimately lowering blood pressure. Plus, deep breathing increases the supply of oxygen to your cells, improving overall circulation. To practice deep breathing, find a quiet place and sit comfortably, keeping your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Take a deep breath through your nose, letting your abdomen expand, and hold for 5 seconds. Slowly exhale through your mouth, making sure your exhalation lasts longer than your inhalation. Do this for 10 to 15 breaths, and repeat 2 to 3 sets in the morning and evening. Deep breathing not only helps you relax, but also improves heart health and blood circulation, making it a great way to reduce blood pressure. These 3 exercises may seem simple, but their effects are significant. By spending just 10 minutes each day doing these exercises, you can improve blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and boost your overall health. The best part is that these exercises don't require any equipment, and you can do them anytime, anywhere, whether it's in the morning or evening. They're perfect for anyone over 50, especially if you're dealing with high blood pressure. These exercises are not just about lowering blood pressure. They're about taking care of your body and improving your quality of life. They help you gain control over your health, keep your heart strong, and improve your body's ability to handle everyday tasks with ease. It's never too late to start these exercises, and I hope you begin today. If you feel any changes after doing these exercises, please leave a comment below. I will carefully read every comment and respond. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on more health tips and exercises.